When Phoenix's Santin Vista water treatment plant expanded, engineers faced a tough challenge, integrating 49 Modbus RTU actuators into their existing EtherNet IP system without costly upgrades or downtime. Their solution? The GW-7472 gateway from ICP DAS USA. This compact gateway seamlessly connects Modbus RTU and Modbus TCP devices directly to EtherNet IP networks. The GW-7472 instantly enabled reliable, real-time communication, doubling plant capacity to 48 million gallons daily. Key benefits included zero downtime during integration, fast deployment to meet strict project deadlines, and no system overhaul to leverage existing equipment. Engineered with industrial-grade durability, a powerful 32-bit MCU, and PoE capability, the GW-7472 simplifies installation and ensures continuous, dependable operation. Since April 2018, the GW-7472 has delivered ongoing value, minimizing maintenance, optimizing performance, and keeping Santin Vista ready for future demands. With over 20 years of experience serving the data acquisition, embedded control, and data communication needs of domestic and international companies across a multitude of industries, we look forward to finding a solution for you. Please visit us at our website or give us a call. Our expert team is dedicated to delivering outstanding service.